All right, welcome back to SRC, everybody. And so today's video, we are going to do some more sales breakdown because Horizon Hobbies snuck one in right after I finished RC Weekly for this week. So, same thing as usual. We're going to go through the sales. We're going to take a look at the prices. We're going to do some price breakdowns on Fast RC Price Tracker Dashboard. The usual stuff. If you're familiar with my content, you know what I'm doing. Anyways, let's go ahead and start off with Horizon Hobbies. So the Get 'em sale just got announced literally the day after I put out the video, or the same day. And I didn't get a chance to cover it. So here we are. This one is going to run May 1st through May 10th, save up to 80 bucks. And it's pretty limited on the models, but there's some good stuff in here. So first off, the Arrma Quake Grom, $129.99, and that includes the Arrma Gorgon Grom as well. Same price, $129.99. That includes the bronze version, that really nice looking Gorgon. So basically Quake Gorgon Groms on sale, $129, and then they got the Typhon Mega 665, and this one is rare, but the Granite Mega 665 also on sale, both for $139.99, which we're gonna go take a look at the graphs here in a second, but I can already tell you rock bottom price on those two models for sure. So there is some other parts included in this sale. So they got the G2 Smart Charger for 50 bucks, which hasn't been that low on price in quite a while. I'd say over 6 months since I've seen this thing on sale. Then Smart G2 Hardcase Smart Battery 2S, or actually take that back, 3S for 65 bucks. Batteries are one of those touchy things. Like everyone kind of has their own favorite brand. If you like the smart batteries, you're getting a slight discount there. And then they do have another charger here. So they got the two-way charger for 95 bucks. This is the S250. Pretty nice deal there. I haven't seen this go on sale in quite a while. And then parts. So for your Gorgon and Quake Groms, they got Chevron tires, D-boot Chevron tires, half off. If you're looking to get a different body, change up the color scheme for your Gorgon Grom, they got that here, half off. Same thing with the Quake. Got some other tires here for your Groms, but this time black instead of a color match. And then this one I thought was kind of cool too, the Brunt clear body. So we talked about the 10 scale version of this guy last week, or like a week or two ago. But the Grom version, which has been out for a little while, is on sale for 20 bucks. So it still has the rocks in the bed of the truck. So some people love it, some people hate it. But if you're looking for a new body for your Grom, now's a good time to pick up some of these parts. Speaking of parts, they got metal wheel hexes half off, or a little over half off. Shocks, aluminum shocks, want to upgrade there. Wheels and tires, they got differentials. So it's kind of like the best time, like if you own one of these Quake or Gorgon Groms, there's tons of parts out there. Plus two, they got some D-boot Hoons. For your 10 scales out there on sale to save 10 bucks, 5 to 10 bucks. So not too bad. And then a center differential, which is definitely on these Arrma vehicles, like one of the most expensive parts that you can try to find on these guys and save 10 bucks there. So not too bad. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the pricing because that's what we're really all here for. So first up, let's take a look at the Gorgon. So this is going to include the Gorgon and the Quake. They're literally the same vehicles. So taking a look at the price tracker dashboard, this is definitely the lowest price we've ever seen on the Gorgon Grom or the Quake Grom. And actually, if I just go ahead and search it up, you'll see what I'm talking about here. So we'll go ahead and bring up the Quake Grom. Same thing. Oh, actually, this one didn't track. That's weird. I'll have to go back and update that. It's all over the place, guys. But anyways, there we go. So it is the lowest price on these guys for sure. So if you're looking to pick one up, best time to do so. Let's go take a look. So this one I wanted to talk about, the Arrma Granite Mega 665. The last time this guy went on sale was early December for 180 bucks. But usually this thing is like never on sale. It's been at 260, and then we had the price reduction back in February down to 220. And then right now at $140 is like the absolute like rock bottom price outside of like finding it somewhere else like AliExpress or something like that. Here for US retailers, this rock bottom price. So great deal on the Arrma Granite Mega 665. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the Typhon 2. Same thing. This one kind of has a similar trajectory, but I remember this one specifically on Black Friday just falling all the way in price down to 150 bucks. Which I remember at the time was like, wow, that's like crazy cheap for what this is. Although I know it is stripped down, it doesn't have a center differential, it has that like locking coupler and it is brushed, so it's not like the fastest model, but the platform for 150 bucks is like crazy good deal. And then I gotta check my prices, guys. Like, I don't know why it's not showing up here, but this is clearly $140. It'd be a rock bottom price. I'll get that fixed. Going through some transition period for the RC price tracker data that I scrape. So apologize for that, but I can promise you the graph should look just like this at 140 bucks. So just keep that in mind. It is going to be updated. So yeah, good deals there. One last thing I want to talk about on this sale real quick is that all of these models, if you go ahead and click on these guys, at A-Main Hobbies, none of them are coupon code restricted. So if you wanted to use a coupon code, you could. Although I don't think A-Main's emailed out the coupon codes for May yet, but I think if we just go ahead and try this, hold on, let's go ahead and go to cart. And I want to say, gosh, it's going to probably be May, and then, I think 1026 is probably going to be the code. So we'll go and apply. Invalid code. They don't have a code yet. But when they do come out with the codes, probably here pretty soon. This thing is not coupon code restricted. So once those come out, I'll make sure you guys have them. Maybe I'll put a post out or something. But just keep that in mind. If you do find like another coupon code, you could probably discount some money off of this guy, save like 10 bucks roughly. So that's kind of cool to see. Save yourself a little extra money, or save yourself on like tax or something like that. And that also goes for, I believe, this Typhon Mega, which same thing, not coupon code restricted. So save yourself a little extra money. Hopefully you guys catch that. So pretty nice stuff there. Always love that, man. So if you can save 10 bucks on this guy, you can get it down to 130, and then after tax, I don't know, probably around out the door free shipping, 100 in the 140s. Not too bad. All right, so that's gonna be it for the Horizon Hobby stuff. Let's go ahead and talk about Team Associated again, because they made some updates to their spring cleaning sale. So short answer, the Hoons kits that have been buy one get one for the last like few weeks are now gone. So that sale is disappeared, but we do have some new BOGO sales. So the Bushidos, which I kind of briefly glossed over in the last episode of RC Weekly, is now a BOGO sale. So if we go and click on this guy, let's just go and open it up in a new link. It's $400 for the Bushido, which is like the regular price. If you just go search it up real quick, Bushido, 400 bucks is usually. That's the one with the battery and charger. Take that back right here. So $400 usually the base level price, or like the regular price on this guy. Rock bottom price around $260. So, but you'll get a 12th scale Bushido free. So let's take a look at that at the 12th scale, which is probably, I don't know if I have it in here. Oh, it's actually right here. So usually rock bottom price $120 on that guy, normal price 200 bucks. So you can save yourself a little bit of money here getting the 12th scale Bushido free, anywhere from $120 to $200 value on that. So not too bad. And then here, if you buy an Enduro 12 Ecto, they'll give you the 24th scale Ecto for free. I want to say it's like maybe a $90 value on that guy. If we click on this one real quick, 200 bucks for the 12th scale Ecto. So interesting buy one get one there. They still have the Apex Sport models with the Z's, the 240Z and the Nissan Z RTRs. Still going. These are $299 for the first RTR, and then the second one is free. Same thing with the Rally, the A550 Rally Car RTR, $299. Second Rally Car free, or it's not Rally Car, but just Street Car free. And then they still have the Enduro Comp Fox kits still going. This is a heck of a value, 400 bucks for the kit, and then $370 normally for this Cattleman Team Associated crawler. You get that guy free on the BOGO. That's pretty much it though, guys. The Hoons kits, you can still pick up the SR7 roller Hoon for $299, which is a great deal. And then the ARTR, which has all the electronics minus the ESC, for $325. Free shipping on this guy too. So not too bad. Last thing I want to cover here, which I meant to cover in RC Weekly, just on Arrma and Hobbies, they are having a big sale on their Eco Power stuff. So if you're looking to pick up batteries, like I said, everyone has their own taste in batteries or like certain brands they stick with. There's lots of great ones out there. I'm a big like SMC guy. Like all the batteries I have in my toolbox behind me are SMC, except for, take that back, I do have some of like the Spectrum Smart batteries that I got for like I got some 2S packs for like $5 a piece. That was like a no-brainer. But otherwise, basically everything I have is SMC. But this Eco Power stuff, I haven't used it. But if there's anybody out there that has used Eco Power, let me know how you like it. They do have some sales going on for some of their 2S packs down to $42, 46. You can kind of see. They got charger combos out there too with your 2S packs and like a USB type charger and stuff. So just thought you guys should know about it. Not sure if you really into that or not. But anyways, like I said, just a quick breakdown on the sales. Guess this is going to be a sales roundup, probably what I'll call this. But one of those rare situations just where like, I put out RC Weekly and then they just sneak a sale in right after I film everything. Anyways, hope you guys got something out of this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.